Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And in this video, I will introduce myself. Like my habits in IDN or my previous school and many others. Okay, the first is name. Okay, what is my name? My name is Yusuf Nov Albana, or my friend called me is Yusuf or Ucup. Okay, where I come from? Okay, I'm from Aceh. Of course, my city is hit by tsunami. And in Aceh, we have many language like Jame or Gayo and many others. What interesting about where I came from? The city is nicknamed at the Porch Mecca of Mecca, or in Indonesian Serambi Mekah. And in fact, hearing the name of this city mentioned, everyone will definitely remember that this city is very Islamic. What's my hobby? My hobby is playing of football, because football is trend in many countries like German, Prancis, Italy, Spain, and Brazil, and many others. Okay, where my junior high school or SMP? My junior high school in SMP Jaya Bangsa, and it's a private school. And my private school, I learn math, physics, science, English, and many others. Where my school now? My school now in IDN Boarding School Solo. And in IDN, I made many good friends. And I choose the major, which is RPL or software developer. Why did I choose software developer? Because I so interested to learning technology and how the web is made. What my habits in IDN? In IDN, I pray 5 times. Namely is Subuh, Zuhur, Asar, Maghrib, Isya. And in IDN, we zikir morning and evening. And we studied from morning until evening. What I learned in IDN? In IDN, I learned English, language, and Dinia, and IT. Aceh, we have many. What interesting about where I come from? Aceh is have a nickname in this Okay, what interesting about where I came from? Okay, in Aceh, we have name. The name is Serambi Mekah, and everyone hearing the name of this city mentioned. Okay, where my school now? My school now in IDN Boarding School Solo, and in IDN I met many good friends, and where my school now? My school now in IDN Boarding School Solo, and in IDN I met many good friends. By the way, in IDN I choose the major, which is RPL or developer. Software developer. Where my school now? My school now in IDN Boarding School Solo, and where my school What's my hobby in IDN? In IDN, I pray 5 times. Namely is subuh, what? What my hobby? What I learn here? Okay, thank you very much for listening my introduction. So, the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.